Backside 180 Ollie.
Start by putting your feet into the Ollie position. Bend your knees and turn the top half of your body opposite of the direction of your backside Ollie, winding up again. As you straighten your legs and start your jump, swing your upper body in the direction of the 180. Try to keep your head neutral so your board won't end up behind you. Hit your tail like an Ollie to start sliding your front foot up towards the nose and push forward, pointing directly at 90 degrees. Lift your back leg up and level out. At this point, you'd be halfway around. To complete your 180, pull with your back foot using your toes to swing the tail the rest of the way around. Make sure you complete a full 180 or you won't be able to roll away.